Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute craft that you can make for your home DIY. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a DTF transfer from Heat Transfer Warehouse, a hunk of wood, whatever you prefer, and a heat press. So we're going to make a custom sign for your house or your cabin. So we are going to be pressing at 315 degrees and we're going to go roughly 13 to 15 seconds. So first up, I'm going to pull out my drawer, put my slab of wood on there, and then I'm going to take my DTF transfer, line it up where I want it to be. I'm actually going to trim a little bit of it. There we go. Make sure I got all my trees on here. My lines, my words aren't too close to the top. That looks about good. All right, slide that in. And we are going to be pressing, like I said, at 315 for 13 to 15 seconds. And we're going to peel warm, very, very light warm or cold. Uh-oh. This is my other example. This one's very colorful. The one that we're pressing right now is just black. I wanted to show you both. Oh, here we go. All right. Gonna let her breathe for a minute. And let it cool down. So I actually tested this before this with a hot peel, and this is what it looked like. A lot of my line work disappeared. So that's why we're peeling cold. This one I peeled cold, and all of my line work is there. So we learned from our mistake. This is an example. I printed on both sides. This one's HTV, but I was able to do, so now it's 2 signs instead of just 1. All right, I think we're ready. Moment of truth. We're gonna peel slow. All right, so we did have a couple pieces that did lift up, so I'm just gonna put it back down on the press real quick to get that adhesive warmed back up so we can get that to fully be onto our piece of wood. Whoops. Not the side eye. Okay, there we go. Now all of our pieces are down. Woo! 5-minute crafts. New sign for your cabin, or grandma's cabin, or your sister's cabin. Maybe it's your cousin's cabin. I don't know. Maybe it's in the woods. Maybe it's not a cabin. It's just a camper. I don't know. DIY 5-minute crafts, DTF on wood. And don't forget to order your custom DTF transfers from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Links in the bio.